How do I differentiate myself, and how do I stand out in the flood of candidates that are going into the inboxes of decision makers and hiring managers right now in this current job climate? How do I differentiate myself? That is the most common question that I'm getting right now in my direct messages and in my emails. And I want to share you a quick couple tips that are on the top of my head that will 100% work if you just put in the effort. Boost your network, connect with as many decision makers and hiring authorities that work within the companies that you are aiming to work at. Send connection requests to HRDs, presidents, VPs, directors, pretty much anybody from C-suite to operations. Send connection requests to them and watch your network grow. So now that you've connected with them, make sure that you engage with them. Check your feed at least once a day and see who's actually posting content on LinkedIn. When you see stuff that you like or you agree with, or content from the companies that you want to work with, make sure to chime in. Send it a like, but also jump in the comment thread and start a conversation. You'd be surprised at how you are noticed if you become very constant at being engaged on LinkedIn. Also, don't be afraid, now that they're first connections, to send them a direct message and see if they'll respond. And if they don't see your first one, try a second attempt. You've connected, your network is growing, you're engaged with all the decision makers and companies that you want to work for. So now what? Well, here comes the scary part. Share content. Not just share someone else's content, but actually write your own authentic posts. I know it's very scary, but it's something I really believe will set you apart from all the other candidates out there. Just a couple things I like to stress when you're writing content. Try writing it down on a separate piece of paper, or actually a Word document, not paper, but write it down, chop it up, make sure it flows good. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Try to be genuine, transparent, and actually have something to say and share. You would be surprised that just a standard thought that you might have right now, or a worry that you're having right now, is being shared by millions out there on the platform. LinkedIn is a great tool just to get connected with the audience, but it's also a great tool to be in front of those decision makers. So content, I think, is crucial. I will be sharing some more videos on how to write content. So if you want to see those, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I think that off the top, these are some quick things that can definitely help you differentiate yourself from other candidates right now. They sound simple because they are. And a lot of people just aren't doing it. Looking for a job right now is a full-time job, and you really have to grind. It's not going to be just sending your resume out there, applying to online posts. It's going to be actually setting yourself in front of those decision makers and those companies that you want to work for. Also, one last thing, I keep on forgetting to bring this up. It's great to set yourself apart, but also just remain positive and provide. You might not think that there's something that you can give right now because you might be really nervous and really scared searching for a career right now or a job, but you'd be shocked at what can happen when you just work your network and reach out and help someone else. So I think with those organic posts that you're sharing and with engaging with the companies you want to work for, also offer your time, your ear. There are people out there that feel just like you, and you might form a bond that will last forever. So with that said, I wish you the best of luck. Stay tuned for more videos on my YouTube channel, and I will be providing way more content on content coming up. So thank you, and I will see you soon.